back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I'm really hoping that we have some good job leads this week, even though we are leading up into a holiday weekend and the 4th of July holiday next week. I am hoping companies are not on vacation this week and are still posting job leads. Let's keep our fingers crossed. But this morning, I do have a job lead for you from Sunlife. Now, Sunlife has different insurance products, and they are hiring a claims processing representative specifically for their DentaQuest or dental claims division. Now, this is completely remote, a work from home, and it says they welcome applicants from anywhere in the United States. So while it is restricted to the United States, they have no state restrictions. But they are basically looking for a claims processing representative to process entry-level and intermediate claims with a 99% or greater accuracy rate with the company's claim processing software. You're going to consistently process the claims with the accuracy rate, adhering to the approved claim workflow requirements to maximize your efficiency. You'll serve as a backup to the claims administration team for entry-level adjustments to claims when needed to meet those corporate goals. Now, while this job is mostly non-phone, there are occasions you will also maybe have to serve as a backup to the call center during their peak periods when taking provider and member calls to make sure that the service levels are consistently achieved. So only when the call center is overwhelmed, basically, during those high volume periods, you'll successfully complete the basic claim related projects that you're given as assigned. Now, as far as what they are looking for, it says an associate's degree or 2 years of experience in a business environment. So if you have 2 years of work experience, maybe as an administrative assistant or in any kind of a business environment, you do not actually need that associate's degree. They are looking for somebody who has strong math skills, the ability to use a computer, good communication skills, someone who can use those Microsoft Office programs, Word, Excel, Outlook, all those things, and someone who can read and comprehend at a high school level. Now, of course, their pay structure is going to be dependent on location and experience. The southern region starts with the lowest, anywhere from $36,600 a year, and pay goes up from there, with the northern region of the United States can make up to $70,400 a year. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments, or if you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads more helpful for you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.